Well, when spring arrives and your thoughts turn to gardening, this deep root planter by Zest for Leisure really is a fabulous addition to anybody's garden. It's quite beautiful. As well as flowers, it's ideal for growing all types of vegetables, particularly deep-rooted ones, such as carrots and potatoes. Also, all the timber is sourced from responsibly managed forests, so you're also helping the planet. So whether it be this fabulous planter or indeed any other product in the Zest for Leisure range, they're all available online and at your local stockists.